Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing one right here, and basically what this is a garment bag that's from the brand right here. So first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like right here. So the product is all nicely wrapped up inside right here. But let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this actually looks right here. So when you guys fully open up, you can definitely see that it's pretty big. You can definitely see there's a lot of different compartments on here. Let me actually zip everything up together first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys zip all of it together, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can definitely see the brand logo right here. And right here you can see we do have a handle strap option. So if you guys want to carry it around, you definitely can. And definitely the way how they designed it right here definitely feels really nice. It kind of feels like a leather material, but I believe it's like fake leather or fox leather. If you turn it inside right here, you can definitely see that there's a compartment right here. So if you guys open up, it's definitely pretty big inside right here for you guys to put like your shoes. So if you guys are traveling or if you guys want to go for a workout, you can definitely put your shoes inside right here. And then once you got it done, you guys zip it back up. If you see in the back part right here, there's a little pocket, and they also have a zipper on here as well. So when you guys open up, that's what it actually looks like inside right there. So this pocket right here is not like super big, but if you guys want to put like your cell phone or like small portable charger or even like a wallet, you can definitely put that inside right here. If you guys turn it on this side right here, you can definitely see there's another zipper as well. So when you guys open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So there's definitely a lot of different pockets on here. So you probably put like pencils, pens, and etc. inside right here. And then they do have this little slot for you guys to actually put like stuff in here as well. So maybe if you guys want to put like a calculator or a little notebook, you can definitely put it inside right here. And basically for this slot right here, you can definitely put whatever else you guys want inside right here. So maybe if you guys want to put your phone or like a small tablet or a power bank, you can definitely fit that inside right here. And then once you guys put it inside right here, you guys can zip it back up. And then right here, if you see they provide you guys this option right here, which is a strap option. So if you guys want to use it, let me show you what it actually looks like. So we unstrap this part right here and put this on the other side. You basically want to strap it inside right here, just like that. And definitely use that strap option. And for this part right here, it is adjustable. So if you guys want to make it longer or shorter, you can definitely do that on here. So if I put it on, this is basically what the product looks right here. So if it's too long for you guys, you can definitely make it shorter as well. So just go like this to make it shorter. And definitely see that's much shorter now, so it's actually much closer to your shoulder. And definitely the way how they designed this part right here for the pad part right here, it definitely feels pretty nice. They do use like a mesh material on here to give you guys that breathable option and also that comfort as well. So let me see what I actually said right here. It definitely looks pretty nice. It definitely has a high quality fabric that they use on here and also has a very good color as well. I believe the one I got right here is like a black color, but they do have other colors available as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But definitely for this bag right here, you can use it on this side. Or if you guys want to flip it on the other side, you can definitely do that as well. So just like this. So if you guys want to put it this way, you can definitely do that as well. And if you guys look at the bottom part, this actually looks like in the bottom part here. But that is basically everything that's outside this bag right here. Now I'm going to actually show you guys the inside. So if you unzip this part right here, you can definitely see the inside part right here is definitely very spacious. And I love the fact how it actually has all these zipper design on here. So that way if you guys want to fully open up, you can definitely do that on here. Or if you guys want to open halfway, you can definitely do that as well. So I should flip this around to show you guys what the other side looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks right here. So you definitely have this zipper compartment right here. So if you guys want to put stuff inside right here, you definitely can. And it's pretty long right here. So if you guys want to put like multiple phones or multiple stuff inside right here, that's pretty long. Like maybe like a tripod or something. You can definitely put that inside right here. On the side right here, we do have a pretty big pocket, so you can definitely put stuff in here as well. And then right here on this side is basically the shoe compartment. So once you guys put your shoe inside right here, this is how long it can go. If you can see this part right here, we do have another zipper compartment. So if you guys open up, this one goes pretty deep inside right here. So from right here to this part right here, that is how long it is right here. And this is how wide it is right here. And this side right here, definitely see some more pocket as well. But you definitely have the divider on here. So if you guys want to put stuff in here and put stuff in here, and if you guys want to put stuff inside this mesh option right here to give that breathable option, you can definitely do that as well. And then see in the middle part here, there's a line that goes down. So I'm assuming there's like a zipper compartment right here to actually put stuff inside. So I'm actually open up the part right here to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys open up, you can definitely see this part here is actually very spacious. So I'm assuming what this part is for is so that way if you guys want to put like a dress shirt inside right here, you can definitely do that inside right here. Because all you're going to do is just slide this part inside. Or if you guys want to open up this zipper compartment right here, and then put it inside like that, you can definitely do that as well. You can see how spacious it is inside right here. And then once you guys put it inside right here, you can zip it back up. And then seal this part back up. and then it's all set. And we see in the top part right here, they do give you guys an option right here. So if you guys want to actually put your dress shirt inside right here with the hanger option, you can definitely hang it right here. So it's definitely really cool how I actually thought about that as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here from both the inside and the outside. If you guys can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. Definitely a lot of different pockets inside right here and outside as well. So you can definitely use it for many different options, such as for going to work, going to working out, or even for traveling, or all three things at once. And there's a few more things that's in the outside. Let me actually close this back up first. Right, so for this part right here, like I showed you guys earlier, you can definitely use like a little pocket, but you guys can also use it as a luggage carrier as well. And what I mean by that is if you guys open up the bottom zipper right here, you guys can definitely slide your hand inside right here. So that way when you guys have your luggage, you can definitely slide this into the actual luggage handle. And basically for the zipper on the side right here to actually fully open up the bag, they do have a little buckle option right here. So if you guys close it back up, you can definitely buckle like that to actually prevent the product from like opening up, if you can see right here. And then same thing applies to the other side as well. So they do have a buckle on here as well. So just like that. So you definitely have the option to actually carry like a bag like this. Or if you guys want to use the handle option. So if you guys want to carry like that, you definitely can as well. And basically for the handle option right here, if you guys open up the part here, you guys can close it up right there. So that way both handles are stuck together. And also for the strap option right here, it is 360 rotatable. So if you guys want to rotate 360, you definitely can. If you guys want to take this part off, it's actually really easy as well. So just go like this and just take off really easily. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality garment bag where you guys can put like your shoes, your jackets, your shirts, and all the other stuff that I show you guys in terms of all the different pockets in here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.